There was this Aston Martin DB9 in the fast lane on the motorway. I was in the middle lane behind a caravan doing about 65. I wanted to overtake, but the Aston Martin was coming at a rate of speed. So I just stayed behind the caravan and waited for him to go past so I could pull out and go round. The Aston Martin lifted, gave me a double flash because he knew I wanted to go around the caravan, even though I did not put on my indicator. That was the classiest, coolest, most elegant, most gentlemanly display of being a petrolhead, of being a car person. I want everyone to be like that Aston Martin driver. Let's all be better petrolheads. Really cool to plan ahead here because there's going to be situations where you have to let each other pass. Oh, look, he planned ahead too. Very cool. I'm going to be a very gentlemanly person and I'm just going to let this guy through. That's alright. And then it's going to be odd. And we're going to let this guy in. I think this is very cool. You know what's really cool? Being in the right lane on entry to the roundabout. I like this guy. Oh, he actually was. He just couldn't hold a lane. Oh, no, he wasn't. Cool to be a good driver and select the right lane. You know what's really easy to do? Really small-minded and really quite boring. Once again, very cool to select the right lane at the start of the roundabout because then you don't have to change any lanes, you just follow it round. You select the right lane at the start, it spits you out in the right place at the end. It's easy. Some people are not familiar with this concept. Go on, lad. Also cool to let people in when they've made a mistake. No drama. He'll get out of the way, I'm sure. There he goes. Very cool. Good man. Now, of course, enjoying your car is not just about being a good citizen in daily driving and normal driving. It's also about having an absolute blast, but doing it on the right road, in the right place, at the right time.